Alright guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use slider element. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, click on this elements option and then drag and drop this slider element on your page, and then you can see our slider element is placed on our page. You can also drag and drop the other elements in your slider element. So now for editing and modifying it, here on the right side you can see the more options will appear as you already know. So here in the top you can see the content, style and advanced tabs. So in the content tab you can see your all slides over here. So simply click on the any slide and then here you can edit the slide title. Then you can choose the background for your slides from here. You can also upload the background from your computer storage, or either you can use our free images from here. You can also do the same things on another slides. So the next option is you can add more slides by clicking on this add new slide button. So now if you want to delete the any slide, so you can simply put your mouse cursor on that slide which you want to delete, and then here you can see a little delete button. So simply click on it and then you can see our slide is deleted. So now if you again put your mouse cursor on any slide, then here you can see the clone option along with the delete button that is used for making a same copy of that slide. So you can click on it to make a copy of your slide if you want, and then the last option is used for changing the position of any slide by holding this option. Next you can change the height of your slides by moving this slider. So now let's move to the style tab, in which you can edit the vertical alignment top, middle and bottom. Next you can edit the horizontal alignment left, center and right. Next you can edit the content width by moving this slider. So basically this is how you can use the slider element. So please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.